Okay, now we're going to break down the verse section and we're going to split it into two parts just to make it a little bit easier. The first part has got 8 bars in it, and the first 2 bars are exactly the same as what we've just played in the intro section. Okay, so that was with the F, the D minor and the F major 7 on and off. Okay, so the next 2 bars after that is going to be exactly the same strumming pattern, except this time we're going to move to D7 in bar position. So you're going to bar across fret number 2, middle finger goes down on fret number 3 of the A string, and then we're going to go up to the D major where your little finger will switch to fret number 5. So the key to this is keep this middle finger on, because we're going to then go to D9, which your third finger is going to go up to the C string on fret 4, and we're going to go backwards and forwards from the D9 to the D major. Okay, so for ease of the D9, like I say, if you keep this finger on, then you're literally just picking these 2 fingers up, which can be a little bit of finger yoga. So if you're not used to using these 2 fingers, playing these chords will get them really moving. Okay, so the pattern sounds like this for the second 2 bars. Okay, so let's just try and put them together. So we'll take it nice and slow. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is where the lyrics come in as well. So you've got though the days are long, twilight sings a song. Okay, so that's the first 4 bars, and then we're going to move to the G7, and this is where the dampening technique is going to come in. So you can switch to a thumb strum for beat 1, dampen. So whichever technique you want to try, I'm just going to go for the palm mute for now. Okay, so that's one way to do it, or you can try with your little finger, just relaxing that over the strings. Okay, so you've got a down, a dampened on the second, and then we've got a down up, and then another dampened on the 4th. And then we're going to switch to B flat minor 6, which is literally just the bottom 3 strings on the 1st fret, and again we're going to just dampen that second beat before we switch to the C7 and dampen again for B4. So all together you've got okay, so let's try and put all of them bits together. It's going to take a little bit of practice, especially if you're not used to using these fingers like I mentioned. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So D7, G7, B flat minor 6, C7. And then at the end, we're going to go back into that pattern that we played at the beginning. So another F. Okay, so if you were going to put the lyrics in with them, it would sound like this, something like this. 2, 3, 4. Though the days are long, twilight sings a song of the happiness that used to be. Okay, so that is the first section of the verse.